today's main mission is that we will leave here with more hope. We want everyone on here, and there's so many things going on in the world, and we know everyone on here, you might be dealing with different issues. Of course, every single person who's on here has different issues, different things they're going through. And we're coming for this amazing cause, coming together, standing up for mental health.
Thank you so much for the welcome, and it was lovely to see all those hearts. You guys are very, very positive. So millions of Americans are affected with mental health issues, and about 46% have experienced a mental health condition at some point in their lives. So half of us, really. So I'm glad that you guys are here, and we have all the experts here, and really looking forward to meditation. Thank you very much.
So laughter is very good. It releases endorphins, right? Has anybody ever heard of endorphins? The first laugh we're going to do today, it's like tapping.
When I found this meditation, I was at the lowest point in my life. And after that first session, I felt so much better that I made an agreement to attend meditation every day. And I've kept that commitment now for 5 years.
So our next activity is journaling. And through this reflection time, we can become aware of how we feel with those emotions in our mind, in our heart, in our body. Whatever is written on these notes that you have, make sure that when you meditate, you can overcome all these feelings, these thoughts, these emotions, and then you can find inside yourself that hope and healing that you are looking for.
Mental health is something that really personally speaks to me because my whole life I dealt with anxiety and depression, and in my 20s I was very close to suicide myself. And luckily I found meditation, and when I learned specifically how to see what I was holding, what was causing the root cause of the anxiety and depression, and how to let go of it, that changed my life completely. So I'm just always so happy to share that also and let you know that you can live with good mental health. I'll just end it with this. One of my favorite quotes from our meditation teacher: the mind that brings happiness is the one that wishes for others to live better lives. So please keep this in mind for your mental health. Chummy and Ernie.
To live well.
I want you to live well.
I want you to live well.
I want Ernie to live well.
I want you to live well.
I want everyone to live well.
Beautiful. Received. Thank you.